I am currently planning on traveling across America on a new to North America motorcycle, the Yamaha Tenere World Raid, and I made a little video before that called A Leap of Faith, briefly explaining what I'm trying to do. But so right now, my plan is to leave like mid to late August if everything works out. The only problem is the dealership I'm getting the bike from, the guy I'm working with. He said that the bikes are being held in France, I guess, and we so so uh but there is some good news. I guess the bikes are being held in France, and they canceled the order for the dealerships to get the bikes, I guess, or something. And now then they got a call like a couple days ago when I was texting with them that the bikes are going to be arriving early August. So it's going to be cutting it tight, and that's assuming everything they actually show up then. So I'm a little worried about that. I can get my money back for the deposit I put down if I won't, they said, because of all of this. But I'm going to hold out a little longer and see if it shows up on time. That way it's interesting because like we haven't had that bike in North America yet, and then hopefully I'd be one of the first, if not the first person to actually go coast to coast across America. And then after that, who knows, maybe I'll go to Alaska or something like that. But anyway, so that's kind of what's happening right now with this little trip. I'm having to like effectively pretty much quit my job to do this, and I just feel like I have to do something with my life like this. I've always loved motorcycles, cars, and so if you want to support this crazy wild adventure and endeavor, then please subscribe and share this with someone who would find this interesting. Yeah, I don't have a ton of experience, but I'm gonna see what I can do to prepare to take this trip. I know the Tenere is a big bike already, and the World Raid's heavier and taller, I believe. Luckily I'm tall and pretty big, but I should still try to get some sort of experience.
We'll see what happens.
This is all happening kind of fast. The good news is it gives me another month ish, around a little over a month, to prepare financially and stuff like that. So please subscribe and support if this is at all interesting to you. Share it with someone who it would be. Comment something and some advice, or maybe comment something about the Tenere, like that you would definitely change or replace before going on a big trip like that. And the trip is the TransAm trail, or the TAT. So it's not going to be paved roads mostly. It's going to be mostly dirt and gravel roads. Yeah, what do I need to change in the bike? If you have any advice. I would do it on a regular Tenere. I don't want to have to carry extra fuel bladders and stuff like that with me, because I'm already going to be taking camera equipment, probably a laptop, like a small MacBook. I'm probably going to be taking, so like I have to find a way to pack as light as possible. I don't want to carry extra fuel bags with me. That's why the World Raid is such a cool thing to me. And I'm already tall, so that helps, and it has cruise control. I don't know if the cruise control works on bumpy roads though. Like, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe someone knows. But so advice would be appreciative. Yeah, I don't have any off-road experience. This will be interesting, so follow along. And the sky's the limit after this trip. Maybe racing, maybe enduro racing, maybe track racing, sport bikes, all of nerd cycle, all motorcycle stuff. And hopefully I'm the one piloting the motorcycle in all those situations. So yeah, anyway, I'll probably have like some mediocre merch that I tried to design and stuff for this. So I'll have that linked. I'm trying to get to the YouTube to the point where people can be members. So that would help support this trip a lot. And yeah, I'm just asking for help from a community of people who would find this interesting. And I have a Substack that I'll be posting about this stuff on. And I have an Instagram too, but we'll worry about that later. All right. Well, thanks for watching. If you watched this, it's kind of, I don't even know how the audio is going to sound. It's just on my iPhone. But yeah, well, God bless. I hope you all have a good one. Go seek some sort of adventure this week, this day, and don't be afraid to take a little risk in life. Otherwise, what are we doing here? Amen? We'll see.